Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your science class. Our today's topic is tropical rainforest and the animals found in tropical regions. Students, we know that tropical regions lie close to the equator, and because of this, their climate is hot and humid. Tropical regions witness plenty of rainfall, due to which dense forests are found here, and these dense forests are known as tropical rainforest. In India, tropical rainforests are found in the Western Ghats and in Assam. Rainforests are also found in Southeast Asia, Central America, and Central Africa. The temperature in summer is as high as 50 degrees Celsius, and in winters the minimum temperature is 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Tropical rainforests lie near the equator, and that's why the days and nights are almost equal throughout the year. Tropical rainforests are home to a wide variety of plants and animals, and this is because of the warm and humid climate that helps to flourish life. Plenty of rainfall and moderate climate support dense vegetation and abundant wildlife. As so many animals live in the rainforest, there is a great competition for food, sunlight, and space. Animals have developed special features in order to survive in tropical rainforest. Now let us discuss about some common animals living in tropical rainforest and their adaptations. First, lion-tailed macaque. The lion-tailed macaque is found mainly in the canopy layer of evergreen tropical rainforest. It is also known as beard ape. Its most unique feature is the silver-white mane which surrounds the head from the cheeks down to its chin. Being a rainforest dweller, it is a good climber and spends most of its life on the branches of trees and is adapted to grasp the branches with its hand and muscular tail. Such animals are also called arboreal animals. It survives mainly on fruits, seeds, stems, leaves, flowers, and some insects. Next is red-eyed tree frog. It lives on tree tops, branches, and leaves. It is adapted to live both on land and in water. Its greenish color help in camouflaging, means the body color blends with the green leaves. It has long and sticky tongue with which it catches its prey. Next is it has developed sticky pads in its claws which help in climbing a tree and in holding on to a branch. Red-eyed frog is a nocturnal animal and sleeps during the day under large tree leaves. That's all in this video. Thank you.